Now that time part of the India. Now separate. In Hindi, Hurka. He played the polo match, then heart attack on the ground. Cost of the carpet now depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here, 1,000 knot per square inch. He was 7 feet tall, more than 2 meters, 4 feet chest, 4 feet, weight 225 kg. Look at handle made of gold. Yeah, never better here. Dress is very heavy. Makeup, 7 kg ornament, gold and silver coin, never walk. Always in the wheelchair. 35 kg, heavy. And this is called in Hindi Qatar. In English, dagger. Different type knife here. You can see the beautiful yellow building with flag. You see the flag? That is called the Moon Palace. 7-story building. It's still private. If only one flag is there, it means king is not in Jaipur. It means king is in city. That is the personal flag of the royal family with 5 colors. Look at colors. Blue, green, white, yellow and red. Yeah, 2 flags. And front side beautiful building that is called the Welcome Palace. It was the guest house. The royal guest used to stay in this building before the museum. And we enter inside, beautiful picture here. Here, quilt cover, not quilt, quilt cover. Yeah. This one dress material. Fan here. Panka purana hai. Beautiful pillow cover hai. In the middle, beautiful royal chest wine. A smoking pipe made of marble. That is called in Hindi hurka. Polo very high class game. Only rich people play the polo. Beautiful polo trophies. Look at here from here. Beautiful second picture. Tall man. Second picture. First picture. That picture. King of Jaipur, Sawai Man Singh II. He died in London, 1970. He played the polo match. Then heart attack on the ground. Third wife of the Sawai Man Singh II. She died 9 years ago. Raj Mata Gayatri Devi. 95 years old, and she belongs from the Coach Bihar, eastern part of India, from the Kolkata. Polo ball. Monogram Rajasthan Polo Club. This one, summer polo. This is for winter. Winter polo. Race for billiards. You know the game billiards? Medieval shops here. This one old chess. We have seen already the modern chess. This is an old one. Look at me. Old playing cards. Maharaja Sawai Madho Singh first. His name. He was 7 feet tall. More than 2 meters, 4 feet chest, 4 feet, weight 225 kg. Look at beautiful gown here. Look at Pajama trousers. Gown, 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest, 225 kg weight. This is same thing. These are all the prints done by these 5 clubs. 100 years old, look like new. This is cotton as well as silk also the natural. This is called Ondi. Ondi means covered the face. The weight of the dress altogether 9 kg. Olden time dress is very heavy. Makeup 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. So remember, as you told number 4, dress is very heavy. Makeup 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. Coin never walk. Always in the wheelchair. Sarees, skirt, a pair of the suit, this is called jyoti, made of camel leather. Camel leather. Sir, beautiful picture here. King of Jaipur, Maharaja Savai Bhamani Singh. He died 14 years ago. Only one daughter, Princess Diya Kumari, Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Mother. Cost of the carpet not depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here, 1,000 knot per square inch. They are famous for the fabric, carpet, jets, painting, making. Here, nice photo of the silver containers. Look at gate, size, heavy also. Fitted on the elephant. Just chandelier in India. First one you can see the Gwalior Palace. That time no electricity. Night time is the candles. 100 is the 5 candles night time for the light. The name of the king, Savai Madho Singh first. Remember or not? He was 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest. Weight how many kg? 225 kg. With gown and trouser. He had 9 wives, no kids. He was 39 years old and heart attack. Member of the Jal Mahal, Water Palace. These all the things done by the doctor. Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal. Remember Jal Mahal? Yes. Water Palace. Handle made of gold. Yeah, never better here. Gold beautiful carvings. One thal post, plate cover. Understand, madam? This is thal post, plate cover. Jaipur postage stamp. Same chair, before 1947 only one chair for Rajasthan. '76 when Prince Albert is paid a visit to Jaipur.
Savai Raj Singh II.
Savai Ram Singh II, 1876. Sir, same picture you saw already, sir. Remember, first king of Jaipur city, the Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, who is the founder of the Jaipur city. City name is Pai Chandaman by him. Maharaja Savai Isi Singh, third king of Jaipur city. Maharaja Savai Madho Singh first. He was 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest, 225 kg. He had 9 wives, no kids. He was 39 years old and heart attack. By Raja Man Singh first from Lahore. Now that time part of the India. Now separate. Cost of the carpet not depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here 1000 knot per square inch. Life of the silk carpet, pashmina carpet, only 50 years. Life of the woolen carpet, like camel wool from Rajasthan. Sir, fine wool we import from the Australia. That is called merino sheep wool. Men, women making the carpet. Buddha from Nepal. Edible sword here. See. 35 kg, heavy. And this is called in Hindi katar. In English, dagger. Different type knife here. Different type methods. Here, never fight. Yes, beautiful daggers.
This is step. This is step. What do you think? This is step.
His sister married with the Jodhabai. That's why he never fight here. Tomorrow are we going to Agra? Before the Agra, but they go Sirri. They are in Jodhabai Palace. Start fighting. Beautiful daggers and handle of the sword. Handle of the sword, sir.